In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact us form to your Canva website. We'll walk through a simple way to do this by embedding a form that you've created on another platform, like Google Forms, Typeform, or Jotform. In this example, I'll describe it using Jotform, but the process is very similar no matter which form tool you use. First, you'll need to grab the link to your existing contact form. Open your form provider in your browser and log into your account. Find the contact form you want to use on your website. Once you see it in your list of forms, hover over it and choose the option to edit the form. This opens up the form editor where you can make changes. But what we need right now is the share or publish settings. Look at the top menu inside that editor and click on the button labeled publish or share, depending on the platform you're using. Inside this publish area, make sure you're on the quick share tab, usually visible on the left side or near the top. Here you'll see a direct link to your form. This is the URL people can visit to fill it out. Click the button to copy that link to your clipboard. We'll use this link to embed the form inside Canva. Now, switch over to Canva and open the website design where you want to add your contact us form. Once the editor loads, navigate to the specific page and section where the form should appear. This might be a contact page or the bottom section of your home page. On the left-hand side of the Canva editor, look for the Apps option in the toolbar. Click on Apps, and in the search box that appears, type the word Embed. From the results, select the app simply called Embed. If you see an open button, click that. You'll then see a field asking for a web link. Paste the form link you copied earlier into this field, and then click Add to Design. Canva will automatically pull your form into the page. You should now see your contact form right on your Canva website. Click on it to select it and use the corner or side handles to resize it so it fits your layout nicely. You can also drag it around to reposition it on the page until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're done adjusting, your embedded contact us form is ready to use. That's all you need to do to add a functional contact form to your Canva website.